Hello, namaste. Welcome to our channel Learn GIS with Sushil Paudel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a polygon map using Excel file in Quantum GIS. I have installed 3.16 version of Quantum GIS. Let's open empty space. Now this is our Quantum GIS main desktop. Now today our agenda is to make a map using the Excel data. I have the Excel data here in this. Here is the Excel data. Okay, first check out the Excel data. Okay, UTM 45R. This data in date datum is in WGS 84. And this is latitude, this is longitude. Or you can, for this you have to install spreadsheet layer. You have to install this plugin. I will provide you the name spreadsheet layers. Friends, now add the layer, add spreadsheet layers tools, browse that file. This is my file. And this is my sheets. Layer name will be Excel data, and my X field will be latitude and Y field will be longitude. Sorry, longitude and latitude. Okay. Show the fields in attribute table. I need these fields in my shape file attribute, so I have to give this. And for the reference system, type 32645 as this is the coordinate belongs to UTM zone 45. Hit OK. It will overwrite. Say yes. And here is your what? This is my map of 1 CFUG belonging to the Sindhu-Palchuk districts of Nepal. File, features file that is temporarily set. To make it permanent, you have to save these layers as you have to export this layer as this receive file, and file name will be bnd point data point data. Layer name, this will be your layer name. Here is the coordinate. Now I am gonna make this data permanent. Okay, now I will remove this data. This is my point feature class data. Now I will make the polygon. For that, I have to use two tools to make these point data to make the polygon. First, I have to make this line features name point to path. My input data will be point data, and for polygon we have to make its closed path. My order field will be serial numbers. The rest of all will be same, and you have to make permanent file here. This will be the path data. This will be path data and hit the run. Okay, here is our path data. If you see the attribute, this is the attribute out of total 180 is coordinate. See the attribute that Excel file have this attribute, and with the help of single tick, that attribute is directly stored to the features data of shape file. Now we need the next tools, name launch to polygon. Okay, input data will be path data, input path data, and to make it permanent, I'll give the location of polygon data. Now we get the polygon data, right? Point, path, and polygon. With the help of single Excel files, these data directly to the polygon. To calculate our polygon data, we need to first start edit the name, technically toggle editing mode. Now we have to add area, and that will be the decimal number, and we only need two precision levels here. Now for this we have to go to the expression, or simply we can go to the field calculator. For this we have to update existing field rather than creating new field. Update the existing field of area and simple bracket open $area bracket close divided by 10,000, then the area is displayed here. Okay, we get our area, and hit the shape edits, start the toggle editing, and we get area of the polygon. Okay, now this is much for today. Simply how we can make the Excel coordinate into the feature class for the polygon data and calculating its area. Simple, simple, very simple. Okay, this much for today. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't hesitate to give the comment what you are stuck up to. Okay, till then, bye bye. Have fun.